If you ever want to change your username on your Whop profile, this is how you actually do it. Keep in mind that if you're also a part of the affiliate program, changing this will also impact that as well. And I'm going to show you afterwards. So let's say I want to change my username. All I have to do is click on home on the left hand side and just simply click on my profile. Under the general section of my profile, you will see that I have the option to change my username, and I can change that from Drew tutorial 7B to, let's say, 2021 or something like that, or 2025. Let's use 2025 as an example. And once you do that, just simply click and save. If that username is available, you'll be able to use it. Now, as I mentioned, that it also impact your affiliate link. So if you go to, for example, affiliates on the left hand side and go to Whop partner, you will see that your affiliate link is now been updated, and this is your new affiliate link for your Whop account. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.